Welcome to a class on Osteichthyes or bony fishes. Some of the salient features of bony fishes include the presence of a true bony skeleton, that is, the body is covered with dermal scales. It is believed to be older than the cartilaginous Chordates and is found in all types of aquatic habitats and some even on land. The pictures on the left side shows the comparable diversity in size of Chordates. The picture above shows a sunfish or mola which is bigger than a human, and another fish which is equal to the size of a coin. Now coming to the morphological specialities. The Chordates, the Osteichthyes have a laterally compressed body which helps them to reduce the friction while moving through water. The exoskeleton is made up of scales, and there are three types of scales: cycloid, ctenoid or organoid scales. The endoskeleton is cartilaginous in the embryonic stage, and adult endoskeleton made up of cartilage and bone. The mouth is terminal or subterminal, and the gills are covered by a single operculum as seen in the picture. The gills are filiform gills, or they are small tube-like, villi-like structures covered by rich blood capillaries, which gives them the red color, and they have reduced interbranchial septum. The fins are supported by fin rays, and the caudal fin is homocircle, that is with two equal lobes. This is the upper lobe and this is the lower lobe. Two equal lobes, and hence caudal fin is homocircle. They possess a swim bladder, which is hydrostatic organ that helps in floating, and in case of some lungfishes, they act as a respiratory organ, accessory respiratory organ. Class Osteichthyes is again classified into two subclasses, Sarcopterygi and Actinopterygi. Now we move on to Chordates subclass or subclass Sarcopterygi. Chordates, the term originates from choanos means funnel and ichthys fish. And Sarcopterygi, the term originated from sarco flesh and ptero fin. Here we can see that the fin of these fishes are specialized. They have a lobe-like fin, fleshy lobe-like fin, and hence they got the name Sarcopterygi. They are ancestral to the land vertebrates. The class Sarcopterygi, fishes in Sarcopterygi, are thought to be the ancestors of reptiles and amphibians. They have bones similar to the forelimbs of amphibians, and some have air bladder modified as lungs for the respiration. So in this picture we are seeing three lung fishes, Lepidosiren, Neoceratodes and Protopterus. These are found in three southern continents and hence are example of discontinuous distribution. Lepidosiren is seen in South America, Protopterus in Africa, and Neoceratodes in Australia. The specialities of the order Crossopterygi are explained. The paired lobe-like fins have an internal skeleton which has bones corresponding to femur, tibia and fibula of higher order animals. The caudal fin is difficircle. The caudal fin shows a structure like this and it is difficircle. They have cosmoid scales and a single gill opening covered by an operculum. They have internal nostrils and a swim bladder is also present often. Latimeria is a living fossil and it is one of the ancient group of living vertebrates. They possess a diffuse circle tail. They have lobed and scale-covered paired fins. They have series of bones and they have an external nostril. The fish is heavy blue colored fish. This picture shows a preserved fish. Originally the fish is blue colored and the body Latimeria are carnivorous fishes whose vertebral column are not ossified. The spines present at the back of the fishes have coelom. Copulatory organs are absent. They exhibit internal fertilization and are viviparous. Now coming to the second order dipnoi, which include lungfishes. The name dipnoi, di means two and noi means breathing. Two type of breathing. It refers to their two types of breathing ability. They are double breathers, that is they breathe through gills and lungs. They possess lung breathing adaptations and they have heavy scales, heterocircle tail, lobed fin, ossified skull, and they are sluggish bottom dwellers. They live in semi-permanent freshwater swamps, periodically coming to surface to gulp air. They are carnivorous. As mentioned earlier, there are three living groups of lungfishes: Neoceratodus in Australia, Protopterus in Africa, and Lepidosiren in South America. They have autostylic suspension of jaw, and autostylic suspension is explained in this picture. Only the upper jaw is attached to the controcranium. The picture shows difference between ray-finned fishes and lobe-finned fishes. Difference between actinopterygii and sarcopterygii. We can see that the lobe-finned fishes have bones corresponding to femur, tibia and fibula. Lobe-finned fishes versus amphibian. They are thought to be the evolutionary ancestors of amphibians, and this picture shows a comparison, especially in their fins and limbs. Thank you.